Cairo WoodShow stands at the crossroads of craftsmanship, manufacturing, and industrial innovation within the wood sector. Deeply connected to Cairo's historical role in furniture making and wood trading, the exhibition reflects how heritage know-how continues to evolve alongside modern production systems. Welcome to I Like Events TV, your gateway to the world's top exhibitions and trade shows. Let's explore today's event.
It offers a structured space where industry professionals can step back and reassess how materials, machinery, and design-driven thinking are shaping the woodworking industry across Egypt and the wider Middle East. More than a conventional woodworking exhibition, Cairo WoodShow functions as a snapshot of the industry's ecosystem. From raw timber and engineered wood panels to advanced woodworking machinery and precision tools, the exhibition follows the journey of wood from source to final application.
Manufacturers, designers, and suppliers exchange technical insight, compare production methods, and explore practical responses to shared challenges, reinforcing the exhibition's role as a meaningful reference point for the international wood and furniture community. Cairo WoodShow is an event, and I like events. Want to join this event? Check the link in the description for tickets, hotels, and booth services. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to stay updated with global events.